फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कच्चा पका खाना टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते, बस यही है जिंदगी। फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके सपोर्ट कीजिए। जुरोंग बर्ड पार्क में एक शो है, उसका नाम है हाई फ्लायर्स शो। ये पूल्स एम्पी थिएटर में हो रहा है, चलिए देखते हैं इसको। इस टाइम कोविड की वजह से सिर्फ 50 लोग अलाउड हैं इस शो में। इस शो की बुकिंग आप जुरोंग बर्ड पार्क के अंदर ही जाके कर सकते हैं। इसकी बुकिंग 90 मिनट्स पहले ओपन होती है शो टाइम से, और आप इसकी बुकिंग करने के लिए QR कोड स्कैन करके बुक कर सकते हैं। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा, लास्ट में सारे बर्ड्स स्टेज पे आ जाते हैं, वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सीन होता है।
Respective section, not cross to different areas of the amphitheater, alright? So after the show, do not be in a hurry to leave the amphitheater because exit is only at the top and you will be ushered out on a row by row basis. So do listen to the instructions of the staff out there and you will be ushered on a row by row basis. And lastly, continue to practice safe distancing while you're in the park, alright? So in the meantime, sit back. This afternoon, we are going to take you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. And we hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed about bird conservation champions and be inspired to help all our fellow friends across the world. Speaking about fellow friends, I'm sure you see some chickens on stage. Yes, is there one right behind me? Or is he gone? Okay, you see, those are bantam chickens, okay? In fact, we'll be joined by oh, he's not gone, he's just hiding right there. So by the way, there's Donald, our bantam rooster. And you can see right over there, we actually have one scarlet ibis. So scarlet ibis, they can be found in South America, okay? So hi Donald. Look at him posing, and look at the ibis posing. I think they want the limelight. So we'll be joined by another chicken, but before that, let me usher the ibis back home first, okay? Alright, bye-bye. Donald, you don't follow me, okay? I see him dancing his way back home. Alright, okay. So like I said, we'll be joined by another chicken. His name is Chucky. And Chucky will be coming from right over there. So everyone, just give me that heart. Chucky, whenever you're ready. I see the door opening. Hi, Chucky. All the way down here. And a perfect touchdown. Good job there, Chucky. Now, many of you might think that chickens cannot fly, but you have just witnessed one flying down to me. He is going to fly back home in a very short while. Those are not part of the show. They're the common miners again. Alright. So we're going to continue with the behaviors of macaws in the wild. Now in the wild, macaws love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. So right here we have the tree fruits and nuts attached. So everyone, keep your eyes right back there. Let us welcome the birds. Now that is Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. We have one more friend joining right back there. Let's see who's coming out. That is Adric, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like that can be found in the jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, our hyacinth macaw, they are the largest in the macaw species. So if you like to see more parrot species, do head over to the parrot paradise. Now after feasting in the wild, these birds will fly over to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up on chalk or clay, and this will help them in the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Oh, looks like they are back here, so this is definitely their last stop, okay? First, music. Hi, Gina, who is that?
Hi everyone, ladies and gentlemen, with Gabby, our blue and yellow macaw. So guess what? Gabby here is very concerned about the environment. Whenever he sees litters lying around, he tends to pick them up and throw them into the respective bins.
Are you sure about that, Shina? Okay, you know what? I have 3 different litter here, okay? I have a drink carton, a metal can, as well as a plastic bottle.
Okay, so now to prove this to all of you, we need recycling bins, right? So look, I've got 3 kinds of recycling bins right here. So one is for paper, metal, and the last one is for plastic.
Alright, let's show everyone how to recycle.
Alright, now we're down to 2 more liters. And that will be the final liter.
I think I know why. I think the bit is a bit too high for Gabby.
No, not to worry, Lina. Look, Gabby's got his own cute little stool. So why don't you pass this to him?
Okay, I'm just gonna put the stool on the table. Then he puts it right in front of the bin when I recycle the plastic bottle.
And then he steps onto the stool and he recycles. Great job. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, plastic waste has invaded our lives. The extent has killed over 1 million birds and animals every single year. In fact, plastic waste found in animal habitats can harm wildlife when they consume them or even get entangled in them. Now, for these reasons, they are known as the deadliest monsters.
Deadliest monsters indeed. Now Gabby right here has shown us a very good example. We should recycle our items into recycling bins instead of throwing them to regular bins. Recycled items can be turned into new products. So if Gabby right here can do it, I'm sure all of us can do it as well. So let us be our little right to help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monster together. Having said that, let's give Sheena and Gabby a round of applause, everyone. Now for those of you who have just joined us, kindly have your mask on at all times throughout the show. Thank you. So right here in Jurong Bird Park, we give our birds fun activities to do similar to what they do in the wild, and this is called enrichment. So right up there, Eileen, she's holding on to an enrichment device. Okay? So everyone, if you're ready, keep your eyes right back there. Let us welcome our beautiful corners. We have 4 of them joining us this afternoon. I see 2. There they are. Right, now corners, they are smaller species of parrots, okay? So if you like to see more parrot species, you can actually head over to the parrot paradise. Now as you can see up there, we have 2 different species of cornea. We have the sun cornea as well as the jende cornea. The sun cornea is the one with the more yellow feathers, and the jende is the one with more green feathers. So speaking about enrichment device, that is called a monkey piece. It is a rope tied into knots, and in those knots there are actually hidden treats for the birds to find. Now you see, corneas are actually popular as pets because they are very playful, but do bear that get very high-pitched screams. So that might actually be another factor for you to think before getting yourself pet corneas, alright? So we have shown them about that. One of your friends went back home, you're gonna head back home that way. Okay, hi! Oh, that way. How about you? I think it's posing right there. Hi! Now let me point you the way home. It's that way. I think that's Twinkle. Twinkle! Home is this way. Your friends went back home already. There you go. Have a beautiful corneas, everyone. Now, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. So right here we actually have a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. Okay? Alright, so they're very popular in making sounds. So let's start off with a nice hello. I want to say hello. Hello. Nice and sweet hello. Now her name is Quincy, okay? So Quincy, how would you like to welcome them? How do you welcome them? Did you catch that? She says, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Now the bird park is in Parrot Paradise. Okay, let's hear that one more time. Quincy, you're gonna welcome them. Welcome them. How do you welcome them? Welcome them. Oh no, she doesn't want to welcome. Hi. Alright, let's try it one more time. Welcome them. Good job. Let me see, before Quincy comes to the bird park, she used to live in a farm. So she can mimic animal sounds. So Quincy, hi Quincy. She's really excited, okay, that's why she's fluffed up. But okay, you know what, Quincy, let's do the animal sounds. Would you like to do the sound of the cat? Cat. That sounds like a fierce cat. How about now you do the sound of the rooster? Rooster. Sounds like the sleepy rooster right there. Okay, so Quincy here can also mimic high-tech sounds. So let's hear how Quincy do the sound of the telephone. 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 That's Quincy's ringtone. Okay, so Quincy can also mimic human sounds, sound that you and I make. Now, when we are sad, we will cry, right? Quincy, you want to show them how you cry? Oh, that's so sad. That's how Quincy cries. Okay, now Quincy, when you're all happy, would you like to show them how you laugh? Alright, Quincy. Okay, so Quincy can also copy the sound of a sneeze. Let's see this. Okay, let's try this. Quincy, do you want to show them how you sneeze? That's a very cute sneeze by Quincy. Okay, Quincy can sing, and she can sing a song about Singapore. It goes, Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Okay, that was me singing. Now this time, Quincy is going to sing for all of you, right? Quincy, ready? Let's go. Thumbs up. Alright, I want to hear you sing one more time. Quincy, ready? Let's go. Good job there, Quincy. You know what? I think Quincy has done a wonderful job this afternoon. It's time for her to head back home. So Quincy, so let's say bye-bye. There you go, Quincy, our double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. Thank you. Now that you're Quincy, you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. do think twice or even thrice, because parrots like them are very hard to upkeep, requires lots of time and commitment, and certain species are known to outlive us. So do bear that in mind before getting yourself a pet parrot. Now the next two birds coming up are going to show us the nesting behaviors of hornbills. So everyone keep your eyes right over there. Let us welcome Harriet, our bowpouch with hornbill. Good afternoon, Harriet. Now bowpouch with hornbills, they can be found in Asia. So in the wild, when the females want to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. So if you look right up there, we have a nest box. Similar to the nest boxes that we give the hornbills right here in the bird park. Now I'll be going up a bit higher. Right. So let's look at Harriet. Okay, Harriet, would you like to check your nest box out? Right there. She's checking the surroundings to make sure it's all safe from predators. Ready, Harriet? I'll just move a bit forward. Is it not safe for you? Okay, how about a bit more? Now, if you like to see more hornbill species, can actually head over to the hornbill and chickens exhibit, alright? No, that's what is right there. No? So what Harriet is going to do, she is going to check the interior of the nest box to see if it is suitable. And only if she likes it, she will actually hop right in. You like it, Harriet? You checking it out? Oh, in she goes. Now once inside, the females will seal the nest box using soil, regurgitated food, and even their own droppings. So Harriet, if you like the nest box, you can seal it out now. Harriet, are you still inside? Oh, there she is. Now everyone, so he's right back there. Let us welcome Sunny, a great white hornbill, Jurong Park's annual icon. Although there are two different species of hornbills, their feeding in the wild are similar. The males will feed the females and the chicks for about 3 to 4 months, after which the mother and child will leave the nest. Now right here in Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding oriental-pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these, and thanks to your contributions, we have successfully released them in nature reserves and even right here in the bird park. So, if you're walking around the park, keep your eyes open, you might just spot some free flying oriental-pied hornbills. Now Sun's going to fly down on stage in a very short while, so you might want to catch this huge wingspan, okay? Oh, Sunny, ready? Look at that. Beautiful flight down. Now once again, like I said earlier on, if you'd like to see more hornbill species, you can actually head over to the hornbill and chickens exhibit. Now hornbills, they have very long, beautiful eyelashes to help them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest. So if you'd like to see those lashes, head over to the hornbill and chickens exhibit. Sunny, I think it's waiting for you. And it's touchdown all hornbills, everyone. Now once again, just a gentle reminder to have your mask on at all times. Thank you. So in a very short while, we'll be joined by more birds on stage. Birds, they often get the foods for their young during nesting periods. So right now, we're going to have a little competition between two birds, and they need supporters. Okay, so all of you are the supporters. Right here we have Toasty, our blue and yellow macaw, and right over here we have Stanley, our green wingy macaw. So what I need everyone to do is actually to clap your hands and stomp your feet as loud as you can to show support. Let's do a trial run. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, not too bad. So let's to the table. Right here with me, I have a hollow teacher. Each bird, they have 4 fruits to collect. Okay, so Bob is ready? Birds are ready? Let's go! Come on, close to one more group. Now the winner is Stanley. Good job, then Stanley. Sheena, yes? Oh. He's warming up. Okay, that's an excuse. One more. One more? Oh, ask the audience. Okay, if you think Toasty you deserve a second chance, clap your hands. Okay, so second chance for you, Toasty. Let's see. 4 fruits for Toasty, 4 fruits for Stephanie. Alright. Okay, so Bob is ready, birds are ready. Let's go! Some may even make you laugh as well. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that you have met today. Now we can help the birds by buying paper or wood made from recycled resources so that less of their homes will be destroyed. You and I we have the power to choose what we buy. So let us make a difference and help all our feather friends today. And looks like we're all set. Please take a look around you and take all your belongings with you. With that, thank you for being here and bye-bye.
शो ओवर हो गया, अब बाहर चलते हैं और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं जुरोंग बर्ड पार्क। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके सपोर्ट कीजिए।